tell?
Calm down.
Quit. I quit. I can't tell what I'm doing. We're gonna retram the Bambu Lab A1 bed to factory 0 so that we can keep our print quality the best it can possibly be. We're going to be following the Bambu Wiki instructions right here. We've already used the USB adapter for the micro SD to transfer the G-code file that is right here in this instruction set. First, remove the hot end sock and ensure that the nozzle is clean. There we go. I do need a new hot end sock because this one did rip a little bit. So this one we're going to throw away. It is a good idea to remove this thing once in a while. Make sure all your stuff is tight. Make sure 2 heat bed locking screws under the heat bed are fully loosened. These are going to be on the screen side over here. Get underneath here. Woo! These are tight. I guess it has to be because it does lock the heat bed. So I loosened them all the way till they kind of wiggled out. Put them in like a quarter half turn to keep everything still in there so I don't lose them. Remove the build plate, clean the surface of the heat bed, tighten the 3 heat bed leveling screws 1 turn or until the bottom end of the screw sits flush with the bottom bracket. This is what it's talking about. 1, 2, 3, and you want it to be flush like that. Let's do that. On the back, I just use my fingernail to kind of scrape around the hole.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
These tools come with the printer, so don't fret. You're going to have what you need. And then we're going to clean the heat bed. There is some stuff right there. I don't know what that is. I'm just using an alcohol wipe to do this. You can use just a damp towel with a little bit of soapy water on it, but you obviously want to be careful because this is a electronic machine that is not waterproof. Now it tells us to put the G-code on the SD card. Here is what the instructions look like. It's going to move over here to this spot. You tighten the screw, or loosen the screw, excuse me, to raise or lower the bed to the nozzle area. So it's too high here. And then perfect there. And then that's like smashing into the bed, so we don't want that. Let's do it. It will do all 3 areas consecutively, so you need to kind of do this all in one go. So it's going to go down here. I have 30 seconds to do whatever.
But it wasn't doing
then it's going to move to another spot.
We'll see later on that this was due to the G-code problem with the file that I put on the SD card.
I believe we have it figured out. This is about the time where I have to cut the audio. We're going to do this whole process one more time. Because I was getting extremely angry and frustrated with this whole process, and I remembered why I hate manual bed leveling for these bed slinger printers. Next, I'm going to post the part where I'm literally sitting there. I did it kind of off camera, but decided to keep recording from behind me in order to get the video and make sure that it's all good to go. And you'll see how frustrated I actually was when I got done doing this.
I think we're good. I think it's going to do it one more time. But I think we're good to go. The reason I'm doing this whole process is because I was having issues with the... Okay, perfect. I was having issues with it hitting some infill when it's moving very quickly. And we are about to print the pieces to the Marble Run add-on, and it's like this tall, and it's just a big spiral like this. And all the support, like, if it's like 90% done and it fails somehow, I would be devastated, because it's a little bit crazy to have something like that fail. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, because I did not enjoy making it. I don't even want to look at this thing. 100% one of the things I do not miss from before is having to manually level my bed every single friggin' print. Absolutely frustrating. So thankfully, once this is done, the retramming part, then we should be good to go. It's going to auto level from here on out. Should you have to do this ever? No. On initial setup, I probably would recommend doing it at least the first time, because it is shipped in a box, and it's been on a truck and on airplanes and whatever else in the shipping process. Hope y'all have a wonderful, wonderful week, and we'll see you guys in the next video.